Hi there, Dr. Sandhu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Now you're receiving this email because you've either been a patient of mine in the past or you're a current patient at the moment. So firstly, thank you so much for opening the email and clicking on this link. In this very short video, what I want to do is I want to sort of answer a question that a lot of patients have been asking me for many years now. How can I afford a whole long-term healthcare, chiropractic healthcare with you? And I haven't really addressed it in the past, but it's something which I feel now that we need to address, especially with everything that's going on sort of in our economy at the moment, and obviously everything that's gone on with our health issues. So what I've done is I've created something that I'm calling the Platinum Plan. Now what this is going to give you is a lot of value. I've tried to put as much value as I possibly can into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a treatment plan which is going to get you symptom free. So we're going to do as many treatments as you need to get you symptom free. We're then going to go ahead and give you a personalized exercise rehab plan which will be monitored throughout the year. You're also going to get, and I'm just going to refer to my list here, right? You're going to get sort of a membership of the Bedford Chiropractic Heroes Facebook group. In that group, I'm going to make myself available once a week to basically answer any questions that you may have, answer any queries. I'm also going to actively be putting videos in there about things you can do to help your health. I'm going to be putting videos from YouTube that I refer to, which are going to be beneficial for your health as well, because health is so important. You're also going to get a free ice pack and a chair support as well, because I recommend those anyway. So you're going to get those as a gift from me. You're also going to get my personal number. Now, I had to think long and hard about this, but I decided that we needed to add this in as it was basically the best thing that I could give you for sheer value. And that was, I'm going to give you my personal home mobile number, right? Which allows you then to access me pretty much 24/7. Hopefully you won't ring me early in the early hours of the morning, but if you need help, need advice, then I'm going to make myself available to answer your calls. You're also going to get every sort of 4 months, you're going to get a review, which basically means we're going to do a scan. We're going to sort of go through everything again, make sure that we are heading in the right direction, which is obviously onwards and upwards to a health system, a health sort of a personal feeling for you, where you are able to do exactly what you want to do, when you want to do it, play with your kids, work hard, and not be in any kind of discomfort. That's what I wish for you, and I will do everything in my power in that plan to help you to achieve that. Okay? Now, obviously the question is, what's the price? The price for all that value, right, is going to be £2,900. Now that can be done as a one-off payment, or you can do 2 payments of £1,500, or you can do 3 payments of £1,100. Okay, so there's various options there that are available for you, and one of those I'm sure will be doable for you. So I really look forward to helping you and to having a discussion with you about how we can make this happen. All right, so why don't you book in an appointment, right? And let's have a checkup. We'll do a review. We'll have a little checkup of you anyway. If you haven't been to the clinic for a while, we'll do a review. We'll just check everything. We'll do a treatment as well. And we can have a discussion and see how we can make this help you and help your family. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.